Yeah, I'm just coming through the car wash, but I had to come and share these with y'all. Better Made. I think this is Michigan brand, but anyway, they are the wildfire chili lime flavored potato chips, and they good, y'all. It's a chili pepper with tangy citrus, and yep, they are good. Not too spicy, just spicy enough. Got that little bit of hint of lime coming from there with that spice. I like them. Okay. But anyway, just got off work, about to head home. Ulta Beauty. Ooh, what they got? A chocolate? I might get a cocoa. Ooh, I'm at Ulta Beauty. Do y'all a little walkthrough. This is the Black Friday deal. Got a few things here already. Eyeshadow palettes. Alright, I don't own rights to this music. It's copyright. I do not own rights to this music. Oh yeah. I'm here. Pattern Beauty line. She has this new hot tools. Well, what is it? I seen it. It's the blow dryer. But anyway, that's the pattern by Tracy Ellis Ross. She's added to her line since I last seen. But look here, I found Donna's recipe, Tabitha Brown. Extra creamy. I don't know if I want to get anything today, but she has a lot going on here. Extra creamy hair scalp oil. This has biotin in there. Leave-in conditioner, moisturizer cream, shampoo, and conditioner. Got everything. Okay, I do not own rights to this music. Got the Shea Moisture. They got the Diva Curls. That's another line I want to try. Design Essentials. I remember they used to have to have the distributor come to the salons to bring that products in. What's this? The clearance aisle over here? Alright. Anyway, Pattern Beauty and everything else you could probably think of here at I got the Dyson and the Shark here as well. Let's see. The Dyson. Ooh, baby. What else do you have? They got the Dyson. I'm trying to see if they have the Shark. You as well, thank you. And that's the Dyson. It's probably about what, $400 or $500 for the Dyson, and that's not even the whole set. I didn't see the Shark. Hi y'all, right quick, I want to excuse my appearance. Anyway, I just got back from the store. Y'all kind of seen when I was in Ulta Beauty. I want to show y'all what I ended up getting. I had a $25 gift card, so this is my Ulta Beauty. Awesome. And anyway, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Natural Fire. Please don't put this video, subscribe at any time, leave a comment, okay? Say hello. So anyway, the possibilities, these are beautiful. So anyway, I had a $25 gift card. If you do not know, I'm an educator in the beauty industry. So one of my students, or my future professionals, gave me a $25 gift card for my birthday, which has been some months now, 2 months. So anyway, This is what I just spent it on, and I had to put a little more money with it. But this palette here, this is a Tarte palette, High Performance Naturals. This one is called MANEATER. Unleash Your Inner Man-Eater. Anyway, I didn't even know all of that. I seen the colors, and that's what caught my attention, and how vibrant the colors are. Oh my god, this is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm looking like, it is a $55 palette, okay? So I had the gift card, so I put the gift card on there and just put the difference because, oh, well, I can rip the box. Now I feel a little bad because I can throw that little box right there. This right here is not something that I would have gotten just the beginning at that price. So anyway, let me open it up. Ouch. I gotta get my nails done. So anyway, let's see how pretty this palette is. Oh my god, that's so excited. I don't know if I can even get it out. Let's see like this. Okay, there. So anyway, let's see how pretty it is. Okay. So that's what the outside of it looks like. It has like a little bit of an animal print, but it's like a purple color. And then on the back, check this out. That is gorgeous. That's cute. And it has like a rose gold color to it. This is too cute. And then if I open it up, this is what it looks like. OMG. Those are some of the prettiest palette colors, eyeshadow colors. This right here is definitely made to do a popping eye. That is gorgeous. Look at the colors. Oh my gosh. Whew. This most definitely is this is serious. So anyway, I'm just gonna name off some of the colors. I'm gonna go from here, each row, from here over, and I'm gonna go. So they have Fascinate, Slide, Catnap, Mischief, Smolder, Alpha. That was the top row. Then they have Desirable, Pamper, Frisky, Ferocious, Minx, and Tease. That's the second row from here over. Then they have Pounce, Nine Lives, Nightfall, Intrigue, Wild, and Captivate. That's the third row down from here over. Okay, and then Pause Off, Fizzle, Vixen, Passionate, Mysterious, and After Dark. So of course you know the After Dark will be that darkest on here over. That is beautiful. Yep. I can't wait to see some of those colors on my eyes. But I want to wait till I know that it's going to be applied correctly. I have some students who can do a bomb. When I say a beautiful popping eyeshadow, I'm going to take that opportunity to get that done one day. Oh, this is cute. This definitely wasn't something that I was just going to get for myself now. Anytime. Not at $55 for one palette. I just hadn't seen any palettes that colors pop like that, or they're white. Okay, so now that's what I got there at Ulta Beauty. Then we went Old Navy. I had to return some pants. So my husband found him a pair of pants, and I found me a pair of pants for work. Nothing real major. I don't even know if they're gonna fit. It might be a little too big. We will see. And then in TJ Maxx, I was trying to focus on something that was useful and important this time instead of just spurting a bunch of clothes or something. So I did find me some Olay. This is 24-hour lightweight moisturization, face and body moisturizing liquid. This one is not my common go-to because it does not have a pH. I'm not a pH, a sunblock in here. Anyway, I got this. It was $7.99. Olay is normally a lot. What's the regular price of this? $14. Okay. But yeah, for Olay it is. So anyway, you probably can use this one for the body lotion. It smells so good. I will do that and still get my other one for my face. And it is for face and body, normal, dry, or combo skin. So it's cute. A little bottle. Olay. I most definitely have to get one that has my sunblock in there. And then I got this face wash. This will be my first time trying this. This was $4.99. So I have one that I've been using this in the shower now. It's in like a glass here called Olivia. It has collagen and green tea or something. I can't remember. But I couldn't find that one. So I got this one. It says collagen revitalizing facial cleanser infused with collagen to cleanse and strengthen. I'll give it a try. See what's up. I really smell like a lot of, nothing extra. And then I got these little socks. They some long socks I can wear like under my dresses or just trousers, socks or whatever. Just whatever. This is laundry. This is who's by Shelly Siegel. Knee highs. They call these knee highs. Knee high socks. Anyway, 3 pairs for $4.99. TJ Maxx. What else did I get? Hold on. So as I said, I was getting some useful things. Oh, well. I don't know if you can. Okay, yeah. So this is the stack of 3 glass bowls, set of 3 with the wooden lid. I think that these are so neat. I just like how they look. And they are made out of glass food containers with bamboo lid, eco-friendly, BPA-free. Yeah, I like that. For those, I got those. And I got 3 different sizes. Okay, so like I said, I got this size. This size was 3 for $6.99. Then I got this size here, so they look different in size. And the same was 3 here, and these ones were $7.99. And then I got 2. Instead of the 2, this is this size. And this is a nice size one here. These ones was $12.99, so I got 2 of these. For the sizes. So I think that's a nice little dishware for the price. So we have a total of 4, the big ones, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So instead of 10. I like that. And I think the price is good for that. And then, since I'm on this Grinch theme of Christmas for the moment, I found this big bowl right here. I mean, it could be a mixing bowl. Somebody in the store like that could be a mixing bowl. Somebody said it could be a cereal bowl, but I don't see that. It could be a gravy bowl, whatever. But anyway, this was $14.99. So I like this. Anyway. And oh yeah, got this for my niece. Got a little niece that usually come around for every year for Christmas. And got her this. Look at that. Got the little Grinch. It says Merry Grinchmas. You got a little tutu skirt. This is a size 3T. I'm thinking she can fit it. Might be a little big on her. But yeah. So, I don't know. I think it was all. Anything else in that bag, honey? Okay. I'm trying to see. So yeah, that was all I got. This is Black Friday, but it's not like when I got a Black Friday deal on anything. I have originally, my husband and I went to the store. I was going to take some pants back. Oh yeah, that's right. So they kind of balanced out because I had $20 that went back from them pants that we returned. So that was kind of like $20 I just put towards this stuff too. So, yep, so that worked out. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm Naturally Tree Inspires. This has been my little shopping haul from Ulta Beauty. Got some stuff from TJ Maxx. Y'all don't really need to see what I got from Old Navy. It ain't that serious. What else? I think that was all the store. These are some little pants for work. And my husband got him a pair of pants. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. Have you been to Ulta Beauty? Have you tried that makeup palette? Have you liked that makeup palette? Once I try to use it and, you know, so y'all some swatches, I do not want to like swatch and waste that makeup. So it's most definitely have to be used correctly for y'all to see it, okay? Until next time, I'll talk to you.